What's happening right now with Bitcoin? We see Bitcoin dump drop, and I want to speak with you, and I want to also show you my trade, because we saw here yesterday a huge dump, and I told you we will see a huge movement on Sunday evening. This is what usually happens, and this is what we saw also yesterday in the evening, right? You see, or today in the night, it depends how you. So and it's very clear we perfectly reached my price tag. My price tag was 16,060 approximately. We perfectly reached it. Why I knew it? Because you see here we have a lot of resistance support coming in. So this is what I'm expecting. What will happen next? Will we see here right now another breakdown to the downside, or is this right now the relief rally to the upside? This is what we will speak about. So bratan, if you appreciate that I'm doing videos always when I'm coming from the gym, like right now, or with my son doing for you the videos, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. You know what I mean, bratan. I kiss you. Let's go. So right now, wait a minute, I show you beforehand my trade. Here is my trade. I opened at 6,560 and closed at 16,070, so $900 I did profits. Amazing, good profits. Congratulations to everyone who took here with me, because I told you as soon as we breaking here this red line to the downside, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So if you took this trade with me, you made at least here around 2.8% profits, 10x average 28%, 20x average over 56% profits, because we broke this line down. It was obviously the second or short opportunity was here when we broke this white line down, right? So very clear. Right now, yes, we could speak here about the bear flag which we're forming, right? And the technical price target of this bear flag, the optimistic one, would be around 15,740, you see. And also here is coming a lot of support, not the biggest, but also a lot of support. The pessimistic price target would be here around 15,600, and the crazy thing is it perfectly fits in here with the big support line here at 15,600. This is a big support line also based on the past. You see here also support coming in, and also if we're going back to 2018, right? So 2020, 2018. So very clear in my opinion. And where is right now the short or the long opportunity? I mean, like I every time tell you, bratan, I switch quickly back, because you have to understand, if you're a trader, it doesn't matter if the market go up or down, right? Because we have to watch the resistance line. If you break the resistance line, we are going to in a long. If we're breaking a support line, we are going to the short. This is what people mostly don't understand, because they're saying, you don't choose a direction, Blad. Obviously I don't choose a direction, because if I choose Blad to the upside, then it's go to the downside, I lose money. You don't have, in my opinion, not financial advice, you don't have to pick a direction. You have to jump in a long if we are breaking a resistance line. If we are breaking a support line, you're going short. In my opinion, this is very obvious. This is how I trading, not a financial advice. So right now, it's very obvious in my opinion. Right now, if we are zooming in on a 15-minute chart frame, I have to be fast, because you see I have only 7% battery. We forming here this support line, you see here. So in my opinion, if we are breaking below this support line, this would be another short opportunity, right? This is a very clear short opportunity. So if we are breaking here below 16,180, we can jump into short again, right? I have to be very fast, because I want you to upload this video for you. So if we're breaking here 16,180, wait a minute, I go back on the 1 hourly. 16,180, then we can straight jump into a short again. I will do it. Then the first price target is here 16,000. The next one would be 15,874, and the next one would be 15,638. So this could be another short of 3.4%, and 34%, 20x average over 68% short opportunity. In case we are breaking this white line to the downside, then we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Where's the long opportunity? I mean, we could draw here some line, maybe like this. I mean, yes, this would be a quite good line, because we have here 1, 2, 3 touch points. I mean, we can make a little bit more erotic like this. Then it's very clear, if we're breaking here this line to the upside at around 16,260, we can start jump into a long If you're breaking 6,260, then the first price target is here around 16,377. The next one would be around 16,474, and the next one would be our white line at around 16,500, so 1.5%, 10x, 50%, 20x average, 30%, blood. And wait a minute, 16,000, what I told you, 16,260. I go on the one only. So if you break 6,260, then we can, wait a minute, then we can, if we're breaking this line at 6,500, this white line, I have to zoom out because then I see the full picture. If we're breaking especially this line at 6,500, you see here this white line, then we can go even heavily into long, because this is a major resistance line. It was previous a back support line. Then we can, the next price will be 6,577, and next one 6,628, and so on and so on. So 2.2%, 10x, 22%, 20x, 44%. However, be very careful, because we are right now in a very clear, on a daily, on hourly bear mood. You see, very clear. So this is a clear bear flag in my opinion. Be careful right now. If in case we are breaking 60,260, yes, we can long, but I would take profits here at 6,384 and 60,476, because it's too dangerous. It could be that we see a short break to the upside to liquidate all the shorts, and then see a huge breakdown to the downside. In my opinion, it's getting very bullish again. If we are breaking here this white line at 6,500 approximately, then we can jump in a real big short, long, public long, if we're breaking this white line. So right now, at the moment, it's a clear still short opportunity, so we could get even right now into a short, set stop loss here above this white line, or we just waiting until we're breaking 60,100, I mean it depends, 6,180 with a clear 15-minute candle, then we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we're breaking 6,260, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, not Solana. I wouldn't do it. And don't forget, bratan, on Bybit, you get at the moment $30,030 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit, and on BitGet you get $8,000 for free and 50 USDT for free after your first trade and initial deposit. Both links are down below, and if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where I show you, for example, beside all the news where you're getting there, I show you also when I'm entering a long or a short position. Make sure you don't missing out on this. If you're trading through my affiliate link, you get absolutely free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Let us quickly watch Ethereum. I have 6%, I have to be fast. Ethereum, you see, Ethereum is like the fat girlfriend. It's just repeating your style from the beautiful girlfriend. So if Bitcoin is pumping, we can long Ethereum. First price of 1,190. Next one would be 1,211. So this could be 3.4% long opportunity if Bitcoin breaking our resistance line. This is 3.4% long opportunity, 10x 34%, 20x average over 70%. If Bitcoin breaking the resistance line to the upside, then we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum. If Bitcoin breaking further downward is right now more likely, however, it's not a guarantee, but I would say 60-70% more likely, but not a guarantee. It's all about probabilities. Then we can short also right now or Ethereum. First price is 1,150, next one is 1,130, and next one is around 1,090, so 6.8%, 10x average 68%, 20x average over around 130% short opportunity. If Bitcoin further breaking down, then we can also short Ethereum. And Ethereum you can also short and long on BitGet and Bybit. Links both down below, bratans. Very important, we cannot watch crypto without S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin, you know it. We closed on Friday evening, S&P 500 4,026 right now. We see in the futures a dump at 3,998 right now. That means if we open the stock market 9:30 like this, we will see a dump in the S&P 500. We will open with a dump, which will cause also a dump in the crypto market. And it's very interesting because we are heavily overbought on 1 hourly on the S&P 500. We are neutral on the 15-minute, and on the 4 hourly are also heavily overbought. Everything speaks that we will see here a dump and the retest at least at this point at 3,890 and the S&P 500, because we have to cool down. We are heavily overbought. We have to cool down, Bratan. And if we see here cool down of the S&P 500, we will see also cool down of Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. And obviously it seems like we are forming here not boobs, we're forming here a double top plat, which is a bearish sign, a double top, right? A double bottom, you know, a double bottom which looks like an S. This is bullish and this is bearish. This is double top, right? So for everyone who is not in trading, Bratan. So very clear in my opinion. We are here also on the big resistance line. If you are also zooming out, you see here a clear resistance, right? So very clear. Let us watch. I expecting also here that we will see a dump, a cool down, which means that also Bitcoin will dump. So maybe I will open right now also short, or maybe I'm waiting. I mean, the safest one, if we can speak about safe, is just to wait. If we're breaking 60,180, then we can jump into a short. If we're breaking 6,260, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. I think I will wait. So I'm standing on sidelines and waiting, but it will happen in the next hours at latest, when the stock market open 9:30 New York time. Don't forget BitGet Bybit, Bratans, because you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel and free bonus which you can use for trading after initial deposit. So very clear in my opinion. If you appreciate my videos, Bratan, write me down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.